In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 ways to improve your time management skills to reduce information overload. Information overload has become a massive problem in today's 24/7 society. Having instant access to endless streams of information results in a decrease in productivity and poor time management skills. By learning and maintaining excellent time management skills, you'll find that you can get more done during the day and beat information overload. Number 1. Utilize lists. Lists are a great way to set daily goals that help you to accomplish more throughout the day. Lists do work if you use them. Make sure that the lists you make feel attainable and prioritize your needs and plan accordingly. You can even make lists for different areas of your life, like personal, home, and work. Number 2. Set deadlines. Set deadlines for the critical tasks you need to accomplish, and make sure you do everything you can to stick to that deadline. A good rule of thumb is to set your deadline a few days before the task has to be completed to allow for the possibility that you'll have interruptions that get in your way. Number 3. Stop multitasking. You may think that you can accomplish more by multitasking, but this is simply not the case. Not only is multitasking inefficient, but you are more likely to make errors when you focus your attention on more than one task at a time. Focusing on one single thing until it's complete allows you to better concentrate on the job and complete it faster. Number 4. Delegate. Delegating responsibilities, especially for those who like to be in control, can provoke anxiety. However, it is crucial to understand that you can't do everything. Delegation isn't a sign of weakness, but it's a sign of intelligence. Finding competent, reliable people to help you with some of your responsibilities will help you to reduce your stress and increase your productivity. Number 5. Utilize your downtime. If you find yourself waiting in line at the post office or sitting in your doctor's office, you can use this time to start prioritizing your day. Make the best of these types of opportunities and get a jump start on your tasks. Effectively managing your time throughout the day will not only make you more productive, but it will help you beat information overload. Incorporate these 5 tips into your daily routine to improve your time management skills.